think it's carbon copy.
Hey guys, we're gonna start with just this crowd. Hopefully there's gonna be a lot more people, but for 10:30 in the morning, it's a good turnout for right now. This is Tombstone. For just in case, we're just gonna cover everything. This is the first game of the day to make sure people know. This is a semi-auto map only. Grenade/Thunder Bee rules, because there's a lot of grenade/Thunder Bees. Underhands only.
You can't even see mine.
Only, not over the top, not overhand.
That's why I
Kill radius is within 10 feet of where it actually goes.
It's not about
off.
hiding, it's about
If
using
Thunder Bee doesn't go off, it doesn't kill people. Yeah, one life, we're going to split into teams. Any questions?
We got 5.
Yeah, that's what the groups, I guess. You guys all
We're on a team.
But
I'm going to play.
we can, no, we can do us for some. Are we good?
Yeah.
If we get him.
Yeah, give us the guy that's walking on right now.
Not actually like with us.
Yeah, well,
Don't
we'll just keep shooting on the side.
no. My eyesight's like 20/70, so.
That's good.
Point out a target for me and it's probably
Pick your side, guys.
We'll walk. Doesn't matter.
So,
We're probably going to do 3 games.
Alright, let's hope this works. No, it's not bad. Alright. You might want to just... Nah. Yeah. That'd be good for this. For Tombstone.
I like it.
It's not bad. Not bad. You got 4 buildings.
I just want to.
What FPS was that?
370.
Not bad.
I kind of want to.
No, it's not a... No, they'd know that wasn't a Thunder Bee.
I kind of want to buy this.
No, you don't.
Eventually. It's a
It's a 2-part
Oh.
hop up. You don't want that.
Let's collapse the stock. Look at this. How I'm not used to that.
Wait, are we playing out?
No? Are we?
Yeah. Yeah, playing out.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, we are.
Oh, yeah. I thought it was just straight up.
Why we gotta play the L?
Do we just want to stick together on this side then?
We should request it then. Next
Or-
time we don't play the L.
Well, let's put 2 people on this side, everyone else go up on the other side.
Alright, I'm an Eagle Scout
Do
here.
you have range?
Sort of.
Alright, you want to take that side? I mean, if you don't want to.
I probably could.
Whatever.
Ready!
Who's going where?
Hey, they're going that way, you can do whatever.
What do you got?
I got 2 guys on the net.
On the net?
Yes. Hey, you got 2 guys on the net! Watch that doorway.
Two cross in left field. Oh, we got a Frenchman behind.
Hey, Bobby. Brian.
Hey, contact!
Last building. You want to... Thunder Bee?
No.
Okay.
You got 2 guys on the net.
Can we go up? Last building?
Yep.
Get the corner.
Get that. All right.
I got it.
Looks clear.
Alright, I'm going.
Go, 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 go.
Clear. Outside, outside.
Somebody coming in. There's a guy in that door.
This next one?
Right across.
This one?
He's either on the door or in the corner.
Fred, come with me. Outside, right outside this building. Get that window. Freddie, watch the window. No, get over here.
Friendly.
No. Come over here, watch that window.
And I'm running.
Jake, throw your...
Hey! Hit! What the hell? Friendly fire. Dead man!
He didn't watch his side well.
Friendlies!
Hit! Oh, I got him, but... I don't think they can feel it with all their gear.
I'm gonna go with those guys next time because he did not cover me at all.
What?
That guy,
Okay, yeah.
he lit their full
They
team.
friendly fire
Yeah.
too, so.
Did they really?
Yep.
He lit their full
Whatever.
team come up into that building.
It's the first game of the day. I tagged the guy in all black like 3 times. And he hit me in the glasses.
I tagged the guy like twice before he even looked.
Yeah. I mean, whatever. Sometimes we don't even feel our own.
We need more cover over there.
Cover fire or cover?
They're like people.
Okay.
So they don't do that.
Yeah.
Because then they're fine on us.
Yeah.
Can we not play the L next time?
Yes, sir.
Sweet.
I mean, it's a game. It happens.
I just don't like it.
You might want to step back. Go that way. Dead man coming out. Frederick actually doesn't look that bad with extra mag on.
See, exactly.
He's dead.
Is that game?
No, we got,
Not yet.
yeah, we got Anthony and the other guy.
Where'd the other ghost guy go?
What?
Where'd the ghost guy go that got shot?
We went back.
He went back, yeah. I don't know if he's going back to his spawn, which isn't his spawn. Right, yeah, right when you got shot, I was gonna ask you to throw yours around the corner, just like out the window.
Oh, that would have been good.
I was trying to
Yes,
get mine
but you got hit.
to another
For a
building.
heads up, next week, we're gonna start requiring everybody to at least wear a cloth
All right,
on their mouth.
okay.
We had a guy got 2 teeth shot out even after he basically argued with us that he didn't want to wear it lower. He was over 21. He signed the waiver,
Yeah,
and his teeth got shot out and he called the cops.
all right.
It's not going to be mandatory to wear a full face shield,
Yeah.
but at least a cloth.
Cloth, all right.
So
Okay,
we argued that we weren't going to make everybody wear a lower because, one, I won't play ever again if I have to wear one. But
yeah.
even though I'm still scarred up from the last op. But yeah, just so you know, that way if you show up,
All right,
and we'll put it out on the page.
okay, thank
this
you.
week. In fact, I'm going to talk to everybody probably after this game's over and stuff. We're
Okay.
looking for some ideas. We've got some ideas for some game style that's going to be more objective based. One that we do at an op-all that we do at the major regional ops all the time is stretcher and a dummy,
That sounds like fun.
and you got to evac the thing out. You can't carry it. You got to carry it on stretcher, which means 2 men plus a guard. And we're going to I'm trying to get a dummy right now so we can do it. But we're looking for ideas for new gameplay and stuff.
All right.
We can't change the fields, but we can
Yeah.
change what we do on them. So that's
Yeah.
what we're trying to do. And we've got 7 people actually in the shop now. So we're going to have a little more interaction and stuff.
Yeah, all right, thank you.
All right, no problem.
So you're gonna have to buy your own now.
No,
It's
you
like
said
10
just
bucks.
cloth.
I know, not today, but
Oh, you're gonna want this.
yeah, not. It's fine.
Hey, we're not.
Are we?
Are we
Where's-
playing the L?
Yeah, I'm looking for him.
Ian!
L or no L?
We're playing L or no L?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Hey guys, no L. L is not in play.
So just start.
They probably don't know what that means.
You used to be back here.
We'll start.
Sorry, guys, I would have had it.
Wait, what?
We start in the house now.
No, we should just like hold the building. So many.
Get a guy with a baseball bat for.
Yeah, he got me on the top 10 bottom of the boot, man. Just so I could jump over the top.
I got this corner. Here, yeah. Do you 3 want to hold it, and we'll try and go out? Is that cool? All right.
Or we could just holding it.
Not me.
Let's hit him with some
I mean-
thunder bees.
Yeah.
So many almost.
Huh?
I got 2, he's got 3, he's got 2. He's got 2.
Mine are duds right
Let's
now.
light them up with fucking thunder bees. Take them all out in one shot.
They're starting on the right
What are
side.
we doing?
I don't know.
Guys, they're starting on the right
Brian, do you want to stay here or do you want to go?
I want to go.
You know where they're going. They're going to this right building. Right
Yeah.
here, so.
If we go to the left, we'll just cross them. If that would that work for you guys?
What's that?
If we just cross them?
Yeah, just get them in a crossfire. God
Alright.
damn goggles. Already, man. Fuck.
We good?
I got it. It just go. I switch it, man.
Going like that.
One left.
You got it?
I got him. Jake.
What?
Go.
Ready?
Entering.
Hey, Frederick. Get 12. Yeah, hold on. No. Okay. Let me go first. Stay outside next time.
That's game! Switch sides!
It's a good time to run out.
You heard me, right?
No, I didn't.
Like I didn't want to give it to you, but
Don't.
Brian.
I like the
You're on
surprise.
one side,
Not
Frank's
really,
on the
but
other side. They're both coming in.
it's better that way.
That's pretty cool.
I ran out right when one of you guys got him.
I shot a guy through a window and through a doorway. He went through the window and in through the doorway.
I'm trying to hold him down.
That guy in the corner was quite annoying.
corner are we in?
Are we on this side or that side?
Ian, which side are we on?
This side, this side.
Who got the last kill?
It used to not be.
I don't know, it might have been Brian, probably.
What?
Playing this game?
Get the last kill on it.
Yeah, I was shooting at the guy. I don't think I hit him.
Hey, let's do the camp thing.
I don't want to do that. If they like really get on us, then sure.
Alright.
If anyone, it's
We
me
lose
that,
this
that
game.
sits back and
Jake,
pins me
that might be
down, but-
later today.
I like going up and getting in their face.
Well,
Oh,
we're
yeah, I
1
mean,
and 1
that's-
so
that's fine
far.
at best.
Yeah.
Nah.
You guys ready?
We're 1 and 1.
Ready?
what's the deal?
I'm gonna go down the left.
You guys going that way?
I'm going on the right.
I mean, let's try and even it out.
I'll go left.
Yeah, I'll go.
You guys go that way.
I'll go right.
They're staying in that back.
Yo.
Got anything on this building?
I didn't see anyone.
Frank, far down left side. Hang on, Frank. You got one popped out, far down.
I'm going inside. Keep outside.
Okay.
Corner. Other corner. One building up.
Guys up here down. So I'll make it right. Hit him. I'm gonna get
One more last building. I think I got hit. Wonder what that was. I don't think you shoot enough. Did you really make it that far without getting hit?
You weren't even prepared. You're like,
Who, me? Yeah, I was.
you're like, okay.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting to run.
I saw BBs bouncing off you right here.
Right here, guys.
Yeah, they went like 20 feet in the air.
I was like, oh fuck. Fuck. Oh god. I got one. Hit me right in the nose and bounced up into my goggles.
Nice shot right in my leg. That's a good shot.
Dude, I came over here. There's like 30 people shot me. I was like, oh shit.
That's it, isn't it?
Oh. My back is dead now.
That was good.
See me run up here? I got shots from everybody. They did not know I was coming. They did not know. What? My back hurts.
No?
I don't sore muscle in my back.
That was good. I literally, like, I was shooting at a guy, he went behind the corner, something tapped my leg. I was like, either that's a bug or he shot me.
I'm just gonna sit in here.
Yeah, Brian, just stay in here.
I'm still on one mag.
Can we play a blitz
I used
game
one mag.
for a little bit?
You do?
Oh, wait.
I'm gonna chillax.
No, oh, you said you're on it. I thought you
On my first mag. I let a guy up, like, I'm pretty sure I let 3 guys up, but one guy called it. from like the third
What do you say? Stop talking. What?
Is there a welt on my nose? I hit him in the nose.
Fogulators. Fogulating.
These aren't.
Boogies
Yeah,
are
you
fogulating.
But
That's what the boogie regulators?
Fogulators.
They're fogulators.
Regulators.
Yeah.
That's why I run.
Hey guys,
These things are.
I need to wear those, but he stole them from me.
Anti-fog.
Shit.
Don't need it. I guess it works.
I heard that thing go off.
Yeah, that was
I
loud.
missed him. He saw me throw it and he took off. But then,
1 second.
then I got
good?
him around as he come around the corner. So,
Alright, let's I'm gonna
You
start
good?
using them.
I
Yeah.
gotta get this. I gotta do something now. These fucking goggles.
All right.
Let's do a stack
Yeah.
real quick. Like
Where?
right now. So we can
You
spread.
good? You good?
I don't think they care.
Go, 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 go. Nobody left. The second building. What do you got? All the way down? You're good. All the way down. Hey, you're good. Stay out. His BBs are landing by me. Hit. Yeah.
Right between the vest.
Oh yeah? That's the worst.
Dead man walking!
You got me like right here. So, I heard you guys and I was like, I'm just gonna come around that way. I didn't think you'd be looking this way.
Uh-huh.
That's a nice airframe. Your helmet? Yeah. How did what happen?
Fred and then this guy just passed each other.
I know. Fred went inside, he went outside.
And I took him on the inside and he went
Yeah.
out there.
Wait, dude.
No, that's not. No, that might be game.
If we won, that's game. If we lost, that's not game.
I'm still alive, so.
Alright, whatever. It happens. I don't know. You guys good with ammo?
I guess so, that's fine.
Let's hold out this one.
Okay.
I just want to
Not in a corner, but slower.
Yeah, we'll just go slow. And then I want to get it where if they're stuck in that last building, I want them to try to advance on us.
Alright. Oh yeah, we're on that side now.
Lid took me out. That sucked.
Nice cover, Jake. What?
Taken out.
Oh yeah. There was like 3 guys. The guy that hit me, he started like this. And then I'm pretty sure he used the dead man as cover too, because I wasn't going to shoot a dead man.
Yeah, he did. I
And
watched
so
him.
then he popped out with the dead guys. I thought I got him. So I'm sitting here on the corner, sitting there like, okay. And then pop, pop. I'm like, what?
I mean, it's not a bad strategy, but it's kind of, yeah. It's kind of cheap. Yeah.
It's cheap. Is what it is. Using
I mean, I have no problem with lighting up another dead guy, but like there was one guy, he's coming down on the same like wall, and he's like this, looking to get around the corner. And I pop him, and he goes like this,
I don't know if I'm
and then
playing
I'm
this
still
next game.
popping him. He's like, hit!
I have something that'll
Like
take care
you
of
said
that.
it before.
When they hear it on their vest, they don't call it. They have to feel it. I think. I think that's what they're doing.
I'm just
Bobby's what?
Bobby sounds angry, but like,
He sounds angry?
yeah.
Wire
That's
battery.
interesting.
Bobby Milburn.
Yeah.
Bill, my friend.
Yeah.
Well, he gave me
We're good. Angry with you?
Nah,
Let's go to the right this time.
probably because I like.
Hey, 5. Sorry, Anthony. One guy.
3 left, 4 right. Jake, you'll have to make. You wanna go?
No.
Can I go inside?
Who lost the mag?
Jake did. He dropped one.
Oh, yeah.
It's fine. I'll get it. What do we got?
I was just arcing. I don't know.
I know there's 4. Want to start? Yeah.
I don't see anybody. They're not at the last building, at least not on the corner. I think they're in the second to last building. Second to last building. Hey, 12 o'clock, one guy. Oh.
Good?
One's down, he was talking to someone else. One more. Jake! Toss it this side.
Huh?
Toss it this side.
How far?
Did I take him in the hand?
Clear the building?
Go past the building. Hold on.
Tell me when.
No, keep it. I thought I got you on the hand and this hand. All right. Okay.
Let's go. There's one guy in the door.
Toss it now. Hey, I got a gun problem.
See him in the building? Yeah. What we got?
One guy.
Ready? Tell me when, Frank.
Go.
I'm driving.
Got one guy on this corner. Here, Jake, I'm gonna throw one.
It's not feeding.
Pull one off me.
I got it. Ready?
Do it.
Ow! Sorry. This is Frank's. Oh, sorry.
What? You pull it off me? This is mine?
Yeah, apparently it is.
Jake, I got your grenade.
Alright, I'll get my mag.
You might need to use your saw.
You want to, I guess.
This isn't working.
At all?
No, it just stopped.
You know what's wrong?
No, it just stopped.
Could be the battery.
Could be, but probably not. So that was fun.
Bobby.
So my gun just stopped working.
What?
My gun just stopped working.
What do you mean?
It just stopped.
Did you jiggle the wire?
Yeah, I unplugged it and plugged it back in. I don't know.
Did you try turning it off and turning it back on again? Try smacking it around a little bit.
I'm gonna try a different battery. Look at the motor contacts and the wires in
See
here.
what happens when you get a 416.
It's not just the 416.